Grandpa got us this nice card. Leah is freaking out.
Have yourself a merry little
What was that? Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Get it out! This could burn you. Hot. Just kidding.
Next year.
Close it. Close it. Here, I'll do it.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
She is so dancing. Watch. Come here. Watch.
Have yourself a merry little
Dance?
Christmas.
No? Okay. One more time. Oh no, it's closed. You open it. Here, watch. We gotta show Daddy how you dance.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light.
Oh yeah, there's a mirror right there. I'm like, who is that? Is it the TV? No, it's me.
Have yourself a merry little.
That?
Yourself a
You have it.
Have yourself a Have yourself a Have yourself a
Okay.
merry
Peekaboo.
little Christmas.
Oh, don't put that by your eyes. Can you say mommy? You silly. Little curl. Look it. I want to see your curl. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Get my hand. Get it. My hand's going to get you if you don't get it. Rah! Here you go. Yeah. That. Can you say card? Look at mommy. Card. Leah Marie. Look at mommy. Can you say card? Are you mad? You want it back? Thank you.
Hi, baby.
She just said thanks.
Hi. You have it.
Can you say bye-bye? I'm gonna say bye-bye for you. Bye-bye. Leah, oh, there's a curl. Oh, turn your head. Look at that little curl. One more time with the card. It opens right here. Where'd it go? Do you love the card? Do you love the card? Want me to do it? You did it.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Is that nice? No, thank you. You have it. All right. Are we all done? Mommy's all done.